To make a copy of a new Google site, click the three dots and click Duplicate Site. From here, you'll have to pick a new name for the site. By default, it's going to go ahead and put Copy Of, so you can keep it with that, or you can change it to something different. It's going to show you where it's going to copy it to, in this case another place in your drive. And you can decide to share it with the same people that you've added as editors or not by checking this box. If I don't want my previous editors to have access, I simply uncheck the box and hit OK. As you can see, it's made a copy. If we click Open, it will take us to the new site.